at the end of the rainbow, waiting
Where's
for you
it
with
gonna
the
end
rest of my
up
family.
at? That's my question. For all of us photophobic people.
Completely photophobic and starting the day out right here at Wacker Neuson.
They one time told me I had a face for radio, but I'm holding it together.
That is not, Carrie, that is not true, is it? He is a...
No, not at all.
You're a handsome
Oh,
fella.
thank you.
Now I'm going to get badged, and now I'm going to get an Uber driver to where we're going. This is like I've entered another zone entirely.
All right, let's start with you, Brandon. What do you do around here other than walk around with this big heavyweight belt that you have?
It looks like the Nathan's hot dog yellow belt.
Did you think he was a hot dog eating champ? Wow.
And don't get off until the ride has come to a complete stop.
What's the first thing you worked on when you got here?
The skid steers.
Yeah?
Yes, I love them.
They're like, she's like Snow White, and they're like her little creatures.
Seminar with Shore West is at the top of your Join Shore West.
Oh, hey, Carrie.
That's joinshorewest.com.
Guys, over 20,000 clients have sought treatment and management.
Friends of ours now.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Well, thanks for the ride, lady.
You're welcome. Anytime.